Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Biscuit. How is everybody doing? Hopefully everybody is having a great day wherever you are. So today's video is going to be a unboxing of these SXC gel liners. So I follow them on Instagram, and they actually made a post that they were giving away their nail gel liners to people who wanted to try them. So of course I read the post, I followed the instructions, and here I am, right? So they went ahead and sent me over their 24 color gel nail liner kit, and it comes wrapped in plastic, and also it was packaged in plastic as well. And we're gonna go ahead and get right into this. So let's start off with the packaging, right? This is super cute, super chic. It's just pink, okay? Nothing else, just pink. And then of course it has all of their social media on the back, along with their SXC Cosmetic Gel Art Liner Kit, and it's in the 24 colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, and let's get right into it. Alright, so we have it out of the packaging, and I'm going to go ahead and lift this flap up. So it comes with a flap here, and then it does tell you that these are low odor, non-toxic free, safe for skin, natural resin, cruelty free, and they are vegan. So love that. So let's go ahead and let's open up the box. So it also has a SXC Cosmetics pamphlet. It also has the website here. Let's flip this over. Oh, and then they, of course, give you, let's get this off of here. They give you some instructions on how to prep, how to apply your gel color, and how to remove. It also gives you some helpful tips as well, just in case you have any questions. And you can follow them on all of their social media, and I'm sure you're able to scan this QR code. So this is super useful. So excited to see that in the box. It looks like it has 4 separate compartments for the 24 gel liners. So let's go ahead and let's get into it. All right, so I'm gonna pull out this first set. Ooh, I love the packaging, so cute. Okay, and these have a black top to them. Super cute. Okay. I've seen some of them that have the gold and then the silver, but I don't think I've ever seen any that have the black. So I like that. So this is set number 1. Here is set number 2. Oh no. Then we have set number 3. Look at this one. This one actually doesn't look like it was on there tight enough. So we're gonna clean that up in a minute, but look at these blues and greens. Okay. And then here is the last container or compartment. Oh, and it does give you a silver and a gold. So I like that. Christmassy. I feel like this one is like a Christmas set right here. And that is what you receive in a box. So let's go back through this real quick. So you have this one. You have this one, which we are going to clean that up. Someone didn't put that on tight enough. And you have this one here. And then you have the last one. So let's go ahead and let's put these 3 to the side. I want to immediately get this 13 out. And let's get some alcohol wipes. And we are going to wipe this down as best as possible. So of course, you shouldn't have to do this when you receive it, but I am not going to complain. Not trying to be funny either, but just being honest. That this was a giveaway. So, I mean, yes, mistakes do happen, but you know, you kind of gotta double check everything and make sure everything is good. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down, get this back to normal, and then I'll be back. Got it back to new like nothing ever happened. However, I did lose some products here, and I'm not going to put this back in the packaging because I am just going to get ready to throw these away. So let's go ahead and let's take out all of these colors so we can see them together. So I have a few swatch sticks here. We're just gonna go ahead and make some lines on our swatch sticks just to kind of take a look at the consistency of the gel art. The liners, we'll take a look at the brush, all that good stuff. So these brushes are really thin, which is a good thing because sometimes it might be hard for you to be able to get thin lines, but you just have to make sure that you wipe off the excess gel, and then it'll be really, really thin. Look at that. Love it. So also, this could also substitute for those nail art brushes that we all are looking to buy, the thinnest one, right? It's just all about the amount of gel you have on your brush. So these are super cute. So we're just gonna go ahead and do some swatches of the colors. I'm probably gonna not talk while I'm doing this part and let you all enjoy. So here are colors 1 through 12. Look at this color range, super cute. I love it. And as I was doing the swatches or like little lines for these, this would actually be great for some croc print nails. Like, you won't have to worry about bringing out a palette, putting some nail polish on your palette, then getting a dotting tool. Like, you have that ability to do that right from these gel art liners. So super cute, love it. I'm gonna go ahead and cure this one, and then we will continue with the next 12. So here are the final 12, numbers 13 through 24. And these are gorgeous. And you can also use these with the blooming gel. Like I said, you can eliminate the tools and use your nail art liners. Like, yes. And again, look at the colors. Very pigmented. Very pigmented. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the lamp. I was running out of room down here, so they are kind of running together. But it's okay, you all kind of get the gist of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure this, and then I'll be back. All right, you guys. I'm sure you probably read the title, but we're gonna get right into this. So SXC was kind enough, very kind enough. I went ahead and I DM'd them on IG, and I asked them if they would be interested in collabing with me to be able to show some support to my YouTube channel and to my YouTube community. It took them a while for them to respond to me, but they were like, yes. I was like, you're kidding me. So needless to say, I was thinking of you all. So they have actually collabed with me in sponsoring a giveaway. So what you're looking at right now, I will be giving away 2, okay? Not 1, but 2 of these SXC 24 Gel Art Nail Liner Kits. So you will have to check the description box down below. Follow all of the rules. Please make sure that you do that, okay? That is key. And then I will be picking the 2 winners randomly here on my channel. And I will reach out to you all, to you both, I shouldn't say all, reach out to you both to gather your information, provide that to SXC, and they will go ahead and send out your kits. Oh my God, I am super grateful, super thankful. So thank you so much, SXC, for collaborating with me and giving back to my nail community. It was super, super gracious of you, and I really do appreciate it. So guys, please make sure that you go check the description box down below, follow all the details, and good luck. All right, you all, here are the colors side by side together here on the swatch sticks. Super pretty, super cute, and definitely gets the job done. Makes it a little bit easier so you don't have to pull out all of those tools to be able to achieve certain looks and certain designs. So thank you so much to SXC for actually collabing with me to give you guys a giveaway. Thank you so much for allowing me to be able to be one of the people who received this giveaway. Okay, so I am very grateful and thankful. So make sure you check out that description box to the rules down below. Please make sure that you follow those to the T, okay? Don't miss out. Follow every instruction. And I will see you all in my next video. Also, there will be links down below if you want to go check out SXC on their website. Maybe you may see some other things that may interest you. And then I will see you all in my next video. Until then, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll see you all later. Bye, y'all.